If you clicked on this video searching for signs that my dog is dying, or my dog is dying, how long does it take? There's a good chance you're facing one of the hardest moments a pet owner can experience. Watching your dog slow down, change their habits, or lose interest in things they once loved can feel confusing and heartbreaking. Maybe your dog is sleeping more than usual, refusing food, struggling to stand, breathing differently, or becoming quieter than before. These changes can be signs that your dog may be approaching the end of life, especially in senior dogs. But similar symptoms can also happen because of illness, pain, or other medical conditions. Today, we'll walk through the most common signs that my dog is dying, explain the dog dying process, answer questions like how long can a dog go without food before dying, and discuss what families often search for, including how to help a dog die naturally and peacefully at home. We'll also briefly discuss questions like how long does it take a cat to die naturally, especially for families who share their home with multiple pets. The information in this video is based on guidance from trusted animal welfare organizations, including the American Veterinary Medical Association and ASPCA end-of-life care resources. Let's start with the most important question. What are the common signs that a dog is dying? Remember, one symptom alone does not always mean your dog is dying. What matters is the overall pattern, changes over time, and your veterinarian's assessment. 1. Loss of appetite or reduced interest in food. One of the most noticeable changes is eating less. A dog approaching the end of life may lose interest in meals, favorite treats, or even drinking water. This can happen because the body is changing, energy needs are decreasing, or because an underlying condition is affecting appetite. Many owners ask, how long can a dog go without food before dying? The answer depends on many factors, including age, health condition, hydration, and disease. A dog that stops eating should always be monitored closely, especially if they also stop drinking or seem uncomfortable. 2. Sleeping more and becoming less active. Senior dogs naturally sleep more, but end-of-life changes are different. You may notice your dog sleeping most of the day, losing interest in walks, avoiding activities they once enjoyed, responding less to their surroundings. This can be one of the common signs that a dog is dying of old age, although similar changes can also happen with medical problems. 3. Weakness and difficulty moving. As a dog's body becomes weaker, simple movements may become harder. You may notice difficulty standing up, shorter walks, trouble climbing stairs, needing more assistance. This is an important part of the dog dying process, because mobility often reflects overall quality of life. 4. Loss of bladder or bowel control. Accidents are common in elderly or seriously ill dogs. This is not bad behavior. When the body becomes weaker, muscles may lose control. The goal is comfort. Keep bedding clean, prevent skin irritation, provide a soft resting area. 5. Changes in breathing. Breathing changes can happen near the end of life. Watch for unusual breathing patterns, long pauses, increased effort, visible discomfort. If breathing appears difficult or your dog seems distressed, contact a veterinarian. 6. Changes in social behavior. Every dog reacts differently. Some dogs become quieter and prefer being alone. Others become more attached and want constant comfort from their family. Both behaviors can happen during the final stages of life. Now let's answer the question many people search. My dog is dying, how long does it take? The truth is, there is no single timeline. The dog dying process depends on the reason your dog is declining. For some dogs, changes happen gradually over weeks or months. For others, a serious medical crisis can cause rapid changes over hours or days. Common factors include age, chronic disease, organ problems, cancer, infections, overall health. If your dog stops eating, many owners immediately search, how long can a dog go without food before dying? But food is only one part of the picture. Hydration, comfort, pain levels, and underlying illness often matter even more. A veterinarian can help determine whether your dog is experiencing normal aging, illness, or a true end-of-life stage. Some pet owners also search, how long does it take a cat to die naturally? Cats and dogs experience aging differently. Cats often hide discomfort longer, which means their changes may look different from dogs. For any pet, The priority should always be comfort, dignity, and professional guidance. Many families search how to help a dog die naturally. Usually, what they are really asking is, how can I make sure my dog feels safe and comfortable during their final days? A natural passing at home is not always peaceful automatically. Without proper support, some pets may experience pain, anxiety, breathing difficulty, confusion, discomfort. According to end-of-life care guidance from organizations like the ASPCA, hospice-style care focuses on comfort and quality of life. Ways to support your dog may include creating a quiet resting space, providing soft bedding, helping keep them clean and comfortable, offering gentle attention, working with your veterinarian on pain management. The goal is not simply extending time. The goal is making the remaining time comfortable. This is often the most painful decision a pet owner faces. The AVMA provides guidance about humane euthanasia and emphasizes focusing on your pet's comfort and quality of life. Instead of asking only, "Is my dog dying?" Many families find it helpful to ask, "Is my dog still experiencing more comfort than suffering?" Consider questions like, can my dog rest comfortably? Can they breathe normally? Do they still enjoy small moments? Are pain or distress becoming difficult to control? Are there more difficult days than peaceful days? Veterinary euthanasia is designed to be a peaceful and humane process. According to AVMA guidance, veterinarians use medication to help pets become unconscious and prevent suffering during the procedure. Making this decision is never easy, but sometimes it is the final way a family can provide comfort and protection. Question: what are the main signs that my dog is dying? Common signs may include loss of appetite, extreme tiredness, weakness, mobility changes, breathing changes, changes in social behavior. Always consider the full picture. Question: how do I know if my dog is dying of old age? Aging can bring many changes, but similar symptoms can come from illness. A veterinarian can help determine what is happening. Question: how to help a dog die naturally at home? Focus on comfort, reduce stress, provide warmth, manage pain. Maintain communication with your veterinarian. Natural passing does not always mean pain-free passing. Question: how long can a dog go without food before dying? There is no universal timeline. Age, health, hydration, and medical conditions all influence what happens. Question: how long does it take a cat to die naturally? Cats and dogs have different aging patterns. A veterinarian can provide guidance based on the individual animal. If you watched this entire video while searching, "My dog is dying, how long does it take?" or "signs that my dog is dying," it means you care deeply about your companion. Your dog does not measure love by how many perfect days they have. They know the comfort of your voice, your touch, and your presence. If you're facing this difficult time, remember, the goal is not just more time. The goal is peaceful, comfortable, meaningful time. The AVMA and ASPCA resources linked below can help you understand your options and prepare questions for your veterinarian. Thank you for watching. Give your dog an extra moment of love today.